Hi students, Mr. C here. The next step in our project, as you remember when we left off, we went ahead and we veneered the edges. But now what I need to do is I need to clean up this surface to make it possible for us to put our veneer onto here, okay? But right now, the pieces of veneer that went over here are slightly proud by, I'd say, like a 32nd of an inch over this surface. So it's just slightly a little lip here. What I've done is removed most of the tape. Some of the tape did get glued down with the squeeze out. That's okay, we're just saying that right off, okay? So what I want to do is I want to prep this piece so that way we can go ahead and put the finished veneer faces on both sides, the left and right side, or the top and bottom, whatever you want to say. Okay, so what I have here is I have a Mirka sander that's air driven, hooked up to some, and I have some 80 grit sandpaper on here. What I want to do is sand this off, and then I also want to sand the MDF surface so that way it will take the glue. If we just leave this surface alone, where we don't touch it and it's straight from the manufacturer, there is like a slight coating on it, and it's going to prevent real good adhesion from the urea glue, okay? So what I want to do is I want to sand this off and address this whole surface here and get this nice and cleaned up, okay? Here. this side completely done. What I'm going to do, take this and flip this over, get this side done. came off. Now we have this surface done as well, and I've sanded this the top of, or this face surface of the MDF, so that way it'll take the adhesion of the glue when we go ahead and put the face on. Now what I want to do is I want to just sand this just a little bit to get this cleaned up, remove some of this